Hi, my name is Sean Burke and I am the Southwest Regional Manager for GE Analytical Instruments. Today I'd like to show you how easy it is to do a startup on an M-Series Sievers TOC Analyzer. Before we begin, we're going to have to make sure we have some of the accessories that we need to do the startup. You should have received an accessory kit along with your analyzer. We have to make sure that you have a resin column, a power cord, the DI loop filling kit, a wash bottle, your drain, a sipper tube, the carriage for your reagents. That's where your acid and oxidizer goes. You should have received a flash drive, the quick start guide, and for the M9, M9E series, a chem trap. You will also need some distilled water, some TOC vials, and your acid and oxidizer reagent cartridges. Okay, first thing we need to do is go ahead and remove the side of your analyzer, which is held by a series of magnets. Next thing we need to do is go ahead and remove some of the foam padding which was put in place for the shipping process. Go ahead and get your wash bottle and pour about 250 mils of distilled water into it. Once you've filled your bottle, go ahead and get your DI loop filling kit and connect it to your wash bottle. Take the fitting at the end of the tube and push it into the slot labeled prime until you hear a snap. Once the reservoir is full, you'll be able to see a white float gauge. The next step is to go ahead and install our resin column. You will notice that it is labeled this side up. Grab both ends of the resin column and put them into the slots until you hear a click. We're going to go ahead and add the chem trap. You'll notice on the column that one end says air inlet. Go ahead and get this tubing here, put it in the back side. Then you want to go ahead and lift the pump tubing and place the front end of your chem trap underneath the tubes and pop into place. Included with your analyzer and your accessory kit, you should have received a hazmat box which contains one acid cartridge and one ammonium persulfate cartridge. You will notice inside the analyzer you have two syringe assemblies. One is dedicated to the oxidizer reagent and the other one is dedicated to the acid reagent. Go ahead and take the acid cartridge and connect the tubing that is labeled acid. Thread the tube into the head of the reagent cartridge. Make sure that it is tight so that it does not leak inside the carriage. Go ahead and pick up the carriage and place it into the analyzer. Go ahead and install your power cord into the back side of the analyzer. Then put on the drain line. Before we power on our analyzer, let's go ahead and remove the label from the display. And we need to go ahead and fill up one of these TOC vials with distilled water. Make sure you do not fill above the shoulder of the vial. Go ahead and place it into the slot in the front of the analyzer. Reach in the back side and turn your analyzer on. Before we can run any samples on our M9, we're going to have to remove the resin column from the prime position and then reinstall it into the run position. If you have any additional questions, please call our technical support line at 888-245-2595. Thank you.